Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's so happy to see you again and here. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject. Today I want to show you some of our products over here. This is our control valve, yes? If you are interested, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? We can see the package details. Our package with we package with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes. Okay, and we'll move on this part. This part is our labels. Yep. Okay. The first line is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print your own logos, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. We can print with your logo, design your label, and the packaging bags. Yes. If you have these needs, please contact us. Okay. On this part is the model numbers F00VC01016 common rail valve. Yep. On this part is application inject number 0445110002. Okay, this part is a QR code. You can use a phone to scan it. The other information is also printed with these labels. And then I want to open it to show you more about the inside part. Okay, open it. This is the inside part. The plastic bottles can be better protect our product when during the transportation. Yeah, you can open it in this way. Okay. This is the inside part. We package it with the oil papers. This is our control valve. Yes. This is our product. Actually, we are not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate part. The valve cap. This is a valve cap. Our valve cap, they have the coating and with some curved numbers here. And this is a valve rope. The valve rope, we have different lengths and we have different sizes. If you have the needs, like if you want other sizes, you can contact us. Yes, we supply the customized services. Actually, each items, before we sell it, we will test it many times. Yep. And so you don't need to worry about our product qualities because our product really have the very high qualities. Yeah, we have the 6 months warranties. That's why we have the confidence to see that. Okay. Any problems if you want to know, feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all about our product details. Actually, we have many kinds of product models right in here. If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the numbers so we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, for our product, for our control valve casing, have 3 tapes for you. The first tape, if you want to clean the spare parts, it's better to use the oil to clean it. The second tapes, if you want to, when you install the control valve, right, it's better to make sure the valve cap in the right positions. The third tapes, yes, when you install it, make sure the valve rope can be moved smoothly after assembling inject bodies. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. About our product, we have the 6 months warranty. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange it for you. Okay, except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kits, the pumps, parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Okay, if any items you are interested, please feel free to contact us, and each week we will have different videos and live shoot on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Feel free to contact us and remember to follow us at our channel. Thank you for watching. So much for today's introductions. Yes. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.